Hi, welcome to 5 Minute Frequency Tune Up. I'm very pleased to be here today with you. I have Mary Magdalene. She has come through and she really wishes to share her heart with you. So be ready for this. Spend 5 minutes with me. I'm excited to share this with you. So come into your heart space. Take this time for you. Take a deep breath. Come into your heart and just breathe. Breathe into your heart space and connect under your feet with your earth star. And even if you can't see it, just imagine a beautiful star in the earth connecting you to Mother Earth. And draw your attention to your heart and up to your crown of your head. And imagine your soul star there with you, connecting you to all that is, to source energy. And imagine a shower of silver sparkling light, cleansing your energy, cleansing your auric field, your crystalline light field of any dust. So Mary Magdalene steps in and she wishes to share, as she said, her heart, her pure heart with you. So I want you just to close your eyes, come into your heart with your hands on your heart and just receive her love. Imagine that she is standing in front of you and she holds out her hands to you. And just imagine holding her hands in your mind. And maybe you'd like to put your hands out as if to receive. And so there is a frequency coming in, and when you hear this frequency, I want you to imagine a beautiful ball of light coming from her heart. I see it as this platinum color, and then go into your heart for you to receive the softness of pure, unconditional love from Mary Magdalene, helping you to feel that expression of love within you in a deeper way and shine it out to the world for humanity. Okay, here it comes. And just stay in the presence of receiving that beautiful, pure heart, unconditional love. And just consider something to be grateful for you. What are you grateful for you? Thank you so much for joining me on 5 Minute Frequency Tune Up. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe and share it with whoever you feel will find it helpful. You can find me on susankennard.co.uk. Much love for now. See you soon.